Have you ever gotten to the end of your year and just felt like you were on a treadmill the entire year and really hadn't made any progress? That was me 20, 30 plus years ago until I figured out a simple technique to reach all of my goals. So when I started, I was looking for direction and guidance on how to plan just a week and a month and a year. And what I discovered is if you use this technique, you can create the perfect life as well. So 28 years ago, I got into real estate and started using this technique, and I have surpassed, not only reached, but surpassed all of my goals by utilizing this system for each week, each month, each year. So I want to share it with you, and it just takes 22 minutes. It's simple. It's actually fun. So please sign up for our free workshop, and we look forward to seeing you and changing your life with this 22-minute exercise for planning the ideal life. Paul Wheeler, Servant Heart Selling. Let's put the service back in selling.